Today we are cooking pork tenderloin, pan-fried pork tenderloin with creamy, delicious pepper sauce, and we start by cutting it to about 1 centimeter thick pieces, about this size, and then we go and pan fry it. After pan frying it, we will make delicious creamy pepper sauce, and then lots of salt, and black pepper, I like to use good amounts of these, then rub it all over. So they are ready. Alright. Huge. Alright, let's start this frying and give it a quite high heat. Not too high that the butter won't burn. We will add our steaks here. And we fry them 1 minute aside. One minute aside is just enough because these aren't too thick. We turn these pork tenderloin steaks or chops, or what are these? I don't know, can you call these steaks? These are so little, but anyway, this will be delicious. So now we wait 1 minute again, and now we will turn this again. We will add some butter, more of it, and a little oil. Yeah, it's pretty fatty now, but there's a reason why we do it. You can lower the temperature now a little. Then minced garlic. We get those deep garlic flavors onto our pork tenderloin. Then mix those a bit like this. They are swimming on it and it's good. Then let them have some more that oil and butter and garlic, and we fried them 1 minute aside, 1 minute per side first, and this another phase lasts about 1 minute aside. So now it's been about 4 minutes from the point that we started this, and these looks like pretty ready to me. So it takes only like 4 to 5 minutes to make this, and let them rest on the table while we make that creamy pepper sauce. So now it's time for our pepper sauce, and you can keep a pretty low heat. I have 6 levels here and it's level 3 now. And we start by, of course, getting that cream in, because this is creamy pepper sauce, like this. And the most wonderful flavors come from that broth that was left behind after the pork tenderloins were fried, so we use it with garlic and this cooking cream, and then we add some black pepper, lots of it, because this is creamy pepper sauce. And then we have that one magic ingredient. Do you guess what it is? It's here. It's Dijon Mustard. 1 teaspoon, about like that. And it is probably pretty perfect. Now we simmer it, let it simmer a little while. Now I click my heating levels off. What do you call this thing? This is not oven. Frying section. Where are these pans? What is this? I have to check it. My vocabulary fails me again. But my creamy pepper sauce doesn't fail me, because this is pretty delicious. And now we are ready with this. And if you have wondered what is this, we have mashed potatoes waiting us. We are eating these pork tenderloins with mashed potatoes and with this creamy pepper sauce. Alright, here we go. Some mashed potatoes. There. Then our pork tenderloin mini steaks. Right here. Like that. And you know what's coming. Our creamy pepper sauce. Like this. And of course you always have to have some greens on your plate, so that's enough. So now I think we have to taste this. Let's take one bite out of there. Yeah. It's well cooked. I never leave pork any red or raw. Then some, why is it so hard to get? Then some mashed potatoes and our sauce, and we'll see did our sauce fail us or not. No, this is absolutely stunning. Everything here is super delicious. This is freaking good. I didn't taste the green one yet, but I think I know what I get when I taste it. But try this, please. This is super delicious. You will love this. But hey, thank you for joining me. I think it's time to say goodbye and see you on another video. See ya!